Hello everyone, today we talk about an old topic. Will dietary protein or whey protein lead to dehydration? Let's have a look at a widely spread notion on the internet. Nitrogen is found in the amino acids that comprise protein. When you consume a large amount of protein, your body flushes out excess nitrogen with fluids and water. It's just only one of those similar notions on the internet or medias. It is also used as a reason to persuade high-protein diet people to drink more water. After digging into this topic, I agree with the first part of the notion. When we consume a large amount of protein, there is more work to do for kidney, since there are more nitrogen waste from the more protein. But I cannot agree with the conclusion. I will say there is no scientific evidence to support that high protein is the risk factor for dehydration. Let me explain why I want to challenge this from common sense. Then I will list some research results to support my opinion. Dehydration is a serious condition. Even losing a little bit, as little as 1.5% of your body's water can cause symptoms. Human body is a very complicated system. It is also very smart. It is hard to believe that the body will grab more water to excrete the nitrogen waste and cause dehydration. When the nitrogen waste concentration is higher in kidney, it will excrete the waste in a higher concentration. All these should be well below the function limit of a healthy kidney. Let's have a look where the dehydration notion comes from. It is from a presentation on Experimental Biology 2002 meeting in New Orleans. It reported a study comparing the hydration status of 5 endurance athletes as they consume low, moderate, and high amount of protein for 4 weeks at each level. A press release about this presentation is widely used as an evidence to support the notion. I do not see the data from this presentation, but in 2006, the same research group published their result and conclude that the effect of increasing dietary protein on fluid status was minimal. In science community, we usually attend a meeting with preliminary data. By doing this, we can show others what we're doing and get feedback. The complete study is usually published later. So the conclusion from the published paper is more solid. Furthermore, the leading author of this paper double confirmed his opinion in his review paper about dietary protein intake and renal function. He also mentioned the lay public just misunderstood their research. He wrote, "Research from our lab, which is cited in the press release, does not support these contentions. Rather, we found that habitual consumption of high-protein diet minimally affected hydration indices." I also did an extensive search. To my best knowledge, I found no scientific evidence for a relation between high protein and dehydration. High protein intake causing dehydration is speculative. My audience, if you see useful information, support, or against this, welcome to leave your feedback in the comment area. From those results above, I will not worry about dehydration if I take protein supplements. I will just listen to the body and keep a normal fluid intake. That is all I have today. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring you more information about nutrients. I will see you in next video.